Not because they're buying bad vehicles, because they're buying the same vehicles everyone else wants. Camrys, Accords, Civics. And while buyers fight over those cars, a handful of hidden bargains are sitting on dealer lots right now for thousands less. The crazy part? Some of them are just as reliable, some are more reliable. And one car on this list shares its drivetrain with a Lexus that costs thousands more. I recently spoke with a mechanic who's been fixing cars for more than 25 years. He sees what breaks, he sees what lasts. And he gave me a list of vehicles he'd buy tomorrow before paying the Toyota or Honda tax. When I checked the numbers, everything lined up. These are some of the most overlooked bargains in the used car market today. And the number one car might be the smartest purchase, under $15,000. Let's get into it. Number 4, Buick Regal GS. Most buyers see the Buick badge and immediately lose interest. That's exactly why this car is such a bargain. Because what you're actually looking at isn't really a Buick. It's a German sports sedan hiding behind an American badge. The Regal GS was built by Opel in Germany. Same platform, same engineering philosophy, same build quality. Normally, German engineering comes with a warning label. BMW repair bills, Audi repair bills, Mercedes repair bills. One major problem, and you're suddenly staring at a four-figure estimate. The Regal GS takes a different approach. Instead of a complicated turbocharged engine, it uses GM's proven 3.6-litre V6. By the later model years, GM had already solved the timing chain problems that affected some earlier. No expensive turbochargers, no complicated performance hardware, just a simple V6 that's been proven in millions of vehicles. And here's where things get interesting. The all-wheel drive GS uses an Aisin 8-speed automatic transmission. That's the same company trusted by Toyota. Think about what you're getting. German engineering, a proven GM engine, a Toyota supplier transmission, and a price tag that's often half the cost of a comparable German luxury sedan. Most buyers have no idea. That's why these remain one of the biggest hidden bargains on the market. But the next car might be even more surprising, because it costs thousands less than a Civic, and many mechanics trust it even more. Number 3, Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 has a problem. It isn't a Honda Civic, and it isn't a Toyota Corolla. That means most buyers overlook it, which is great news for anyone shopping smart, because while Honda and Toyota move toward CVTs and smaller turbocharged engines, Mazda stayed incredibly simple. A naturally aspirated engine, a traditional 6-speed automatic, and a reliability record that's quietly become one of the best in the industry. Here's what most buyers don't know. Heat destroys transmissions. That's one of the biggest reasons they fail. Mazda engineered this transmission to lock up almost immediately after you start moving. Less heat, less wear, longer life. That's exactly why mechanics rarely see major transmission failures on these cars. When they show up at the shop, it's usually the boring stuff. Oil changes, brake pads, tires, end of story. Meanwhile, buyers are paying thousands more for Civics and Corollas. A comparable Mazda 3 can often cost $3,000 to $5,000 less for a car that's just as reliable and arguably more fun to drive. And the crazy part, the next car saves buyers even more money. And almost nobody seems to notice. Number 2, Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 may be the most overlooked mid-size sedan in America. Most shoppers never even consider one. They walk straight to the Camry or the Accord. And that's exactly why the Mazda 6 became such a bargain. Because while everyone else was chasing Toyota and Honda, Mazda built one of the simplest and most durable sedans in the segment. No CVT, no dual clutch transmission, no tiny turbocharged engine constantly working overtime. Just a proven 2.5-litre four-cylinder paired with a traditional automatic transmission. Simple works. And mechanics love simple. One technician told me about a Mazda 6 with over 167,000 miles. They inspected everything. Nothing. No major concerns, no expensive repairs, no scary surprises. The factory spark plugs still had life left. That's the kind of ownership story buyers dream about. And here's what makes it even better. Many Mazda 6 models sell for $5,000 to $7,000, less than comparable Camrys and Accords. Think about that. You save money buying it. You spend less maintaining it. And you still get one of the most reliable sedans on the road. Which brings us to number one. And this is the vehicle mechanics recommend over and over again. Number one, Toyota Avalon. This is the car most buyers completely misunderstand. They think it's an old person's car, a retirement car, a boring car. And that's exactly why it became one of the best bargains in the entire used car market. Because underneath the sheet metal is something most buyers never realize. A Lexus. The Avalon shares its platform with the Lexus ES. Its drivetrain, its engine, its transmission, its reliability. Yet buyers regularly pay thousands more for the Lexus badge. The heart of this car is Toyota's legendary 3.5-litre V6, an engine that's been proven for nearly 2 decades. Camry, Sienna, R, X, ES, millions of vehicles, hundreds of thousands of miles, no turbochargers, no timing belt replacements, no major drama. It just works. Now look at the numbers. A comparable Lexus ES often costs $7,000 to $8,000 more, for essentially the same mechanical package. Then compare it to a Camry. In some markets, the Avalon is actually cheaper, yet it's larger, quieter, more comfortable, and loaded with more features. That's what makes it such a hidden gem. Most buyers see an Avalon and move on. Smart buyers see Lexus reliability for Camry money. And that's why this takes the number one spot. If I had $15,000 to spend on one vehicle tomorrow and needed it to last the next decade, this is exactly where my money would go. Watch our next video on the cars that routinely reach 300,000 miles, because one of them might already be sitting in your driveway. If you want more like this, subscribe and watch this next.